everyone! Welcome once again to Mhelbeth's Table. Ngayon, magluluto tayo ng napaka-espesyal na luto. Gagawin natin this afternoon. At ito ay tilapia. Before we go on to our recipe today, I would like to thank all my subscribers. May mga bago tayong subscribers dyan. At yung mga nagfa-follow talaga ng mga recipe na ginagawa ko through this YouTube videos in my channel na nag-text sa akin, ang feedback ay sobrang sarap daw, and thank you so much for doing that. And of course, every week, those who are not yet subscribed in my channel, please subscribe so that you will be updated every week on all my recipes. Today, I know it's summer already, so everybody is looking forward to go for a barbecue and anything. But this time, will show you how to cook a tilapia, not fried, not barbecue in the grill, but in the oven. This is a very healthy way of cooking your tilapia. It's so delicious, very tasty, and it's very healthy as well because we will put a lot of spices. So, follow me. Here are the ingredients. So, we have here 2 medium tilapias. I cleaned everything, cut everything, and also cut here. So first, we have to make our fish marinade. Lalagay natin ang garlic into the blender. And then, ginger. Onion. The chili. Cilantro. Thyme. Rosemary, all-purpose seasoning, ground black pepper, and the salt. Oops, we need a coconut oil. There you go. About 2 to 3 tablespoons coconut oil. You can use olive oil as well or any oil you prefer. So, andito na yung ating na blender na spices. It become into paste. Wow, it smells so good. So for the next step, gigisa natin siya para yung aroma ng ating spices ay lalabas. So mag-init tayo ng ating pan and then we will put a dash of olive oil. And then we will put the spices. Smells so good. So, ginigisa natin to infuse the spices, the aroma. So, it will be very delicious into our fish marinade. Just thicken it. And then, we will cool this a little bit after about 30 minutes and then we will put it into our tilapia fish. So, ito na yung ating ginisa na spices while ago. Until it becomes sticky, you have to fry this until it becomes sticky. You can use this actually without frying. It's depend on you. Then, we will put this on the tilapia fish to marinate for about 30 minutes. So, kailangan we have to put everything into this cut of the tilapia para yung ang lasa ng ating tilapia ay masarap, so that the marinade will get into the tilapia piece. You have to put also inside like this. So after that, both sides, okay? Also the other side. I already made the other side as well. And then we have to sprinkle a paprika, and we will put this into the fridge for about 30 minutes. So we will cover this with saran wrap for the meantime, and while waiting for this to be marinated in 30 minutes, we will make a mango salad. Perfect combination with this fish. So after 30 minutes of marinating, I prepared my barbecue grill here. I put some oil, and we will put the fish here like this. Preheated the oven for about 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and we will bake this fish for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, ibabaliktad natin yung ating fish. Look at that. Para yung kabila naman ang ating lulutuin. So, papahid natin yung natitira nating marinade kanina sa kabilang parte ng ating fish. Then, we will put back again to the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. So, I'm sure this is already cooked. Look at this. Wow! So, eto na po ang ating very special tilapia for today. And it's so good with our mango salad. Please watch for my upcoming video for the mango salad. And also, we have here the garlic fried rice. Thank you so much for all who subscribe to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you will be updated in all my videos. Thank you all, and hanggang sa muli po. Maraming salamat.